XtremeAIR, and in this video I'm going to show you our beautiful 36-inch freestanding gas range. Professional series, model Xta Pr36. This model has nice sturdy stainless steel construction, a beautiful even brush finish, solid cast iron grates, easy to clean, has high quality and durable Italian made burners, has heavy duty removable control knobs, easy for operation, for cleaning and maintenance. And it has a large 5.2 cubic foot oven. This range has 6 burners, going from 6,000 BTUs all the way up to 20,000 BTUs for the dual burner, so you can quickly heat up anything that you're cooking. And the oven has a very strong 22,000 BTU heating element, as well as a 10,000 BTU tube broiler. And it has a built-in convection oven so that it moves air around to make more even baking and cooking. It has 2 halogen LEDs and it has a 2-layer glass window. And the heat vent from the oven comes up behind on top of the hood here, so all you have to do is simply turn on your range hood to get that heat out of your house instead of going into your kitchen and home. This range is really outstanding. It compares with a lot of the big name luxury brands that can cost up to 4 times as much, so it's a great value with all that you get for the price point. And in the very rare event that something were to happen to it, you can easily access the components either down here behind this panel, removing a few screws, or just right behind the range. And with all of our ranges, they are ETL safety certified for the US and Canada, so you can have the peace of mind that the range will be above the quality standards if you choose XtremeAIR. And here at XtremeAIR, we stand behind all of our products for both quality and performance. So we hope you enjoyed this video and it was informational, and thank you very much.